Perhaps you can't believe that this bad planet can magically manifest life. That's right. It is our Earth. It is currently in the period of the 4.54 billion years ago, and the life of this period is still affecting each of us. The second ancient geological era in the history of the Earth. From the end of the solar system's eruption of 400 billion years ago to the degeneration of the Earth 25 billion years ago. The entire period is across 1.5 billion years. The early period of the planet's early evolution and the conditions that led to the emergence of life. After a few years of terrible and turbulent Mingujo on Earth, the Earth gradually cooled down and formed a land, but without a stable platform. The Earth is extremely fragile, and there are large amounts of cracks and broken layers. The salt that is frequently sprayed on the volcano releases a large amount of gas and gradually cools down and forms the original atmosphere. The entire Earth is in chaos, and the temperature on the surface is still very high, and there is toxic gas everywhere. Most of the surface of the planet is covered by seawater. Only the ocean spreads these lonely islands. At this time, the temperature of the sea is not only high, but also extremely acidic. Even steel can corrode. But who would have thought that in such a cruel environment, in the midst of such a cruel environment, the primordial life has been in the midst of such a cruel environment? A large number of nuclear creatures appeared. Until the late Taigu, a large oxygenation event occurred on the Earth. The atmosphere of the Earth during this period mainly has a carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide flow. At this time, a large amount of oxygenation bacteria and algae began to grow. They use carbon dioxide as a food to absorb the sunlight and release oxygen. As the number of algae continues to increase, the oxygen accumulated during the Taigu period not only changes the atmosphere of the Earth and the composition of the atmosphere, but also provides a more complex ecosystem. The new life forms that were born on the Earth, like subscribe, comment in YouTube.